Hello everyone, I'm Deniz. I'm a second year CS student at Bilkent University, and today the experiment that I'm about to show you is about capacitance. The objective of my experiment is to show how the variables like the distance between the plates, the plate area, and the relative permittivity of the medium between the plates relate to the capacitance and how they are consistent with the formula of capacitance. The formula of capacitance suggests that capacitance of parallel plates is equal to the permittivity of space times the plate area divided by the distance between the plates. So while the capacitance will be directly proportional to the plate area and the permittivity of space, it will also be inversely proportional to the distance between the plates. For my experiment, I'll be using 3 pairs of different sized cardboard plates covered with aluminum foil, a ruler, a multimeter to measure the capacitance, and finally a bunch of paper and a sheet of glass to use as dielectrics. To perform this experiment, I will first measure the surface areas of the plates and write them down. Then I'll keep the distance and the dielectric between the plates constant and measure the capacitance for 3 different plate sizes. Next, I'll keep the plate size and the dielectric constant while measuring the capacitance for 3 different plate distances. Finally, I will keep the plate size and distance the same while using 3 mediums with different relative permittivity in between. I will plot my results in graphs to see the relations in between the capacitance and these variables. From the results of my experiments, I've seen that as the relative permittivity of the medium or the plate areas increase, so does the capacitance proportionally. On the contrary, when we increase the plate distance, the capacitance decreases proportionally. Hence, the capacitance is directly proportional to the plate area and the relative permittivity of the medium between the plates, whereas it is inversely proportional to the plate distance. So the formula capacitance equal to permittivity of space times plate area divided by the distance between the plates stands. When compared to the theoretical results, my measurements generate an error rate between 7.5% and 24.1%. The reason behind these errors can be the inaccuracy of the ruler or the multimeter, the mediums of the electrics I use not fully corresponding to the relative permittivity I used for them on my theoretical results, or the poor build quality of the parallel plates. This experiment can be done more accurately with better built plates, more accurate measuring tools, and materials with more consistent relative permittivity values. So this is all for today. Thanks for stopping by and watching my experiment.